Good morning. Good morning. Day 11. Day 11. We got it. We made it this far. All right. I'm going to start with the little one because it's light and I can handle it. And for day 11, Missouri Star. So let's get on with it. And Missouri Star, yesterday we had that quilty charcuterie board, which was really unique and very nice looking. I mean, I don't know that I'm going to use it as a charcuterie board. I don't know, maybe my husband might steal it off the wall from me and use it, but I intend to hang it on the wall and use it as a decoration because it's just adorable. And it's weird, but I went looking for very similar things, star-shaped charcuterie boards, and the closest thing I could find was $32, and it didn't even have the intricate detail on it or anything else that it just didn't have it. So I did just settle for the $32, which brings our total investment down. Well, it's our total investment's up there, but after subtracting the $32 from the remaining of the 200, which was, we were at 35, we are now at $3 there. So yeah, I have a feeling day 11 we will start getting into the bonus values, right? The bonus value. Okay, great. So let's open it. I don't know. I thought, oh, they gave us all a gift card from Missouri Star, right? No, because it's squishy a little bit in one place. I don't know what it is, but here it goes. Trying to let my left hand open it. There we go. It was, oh, oh, well, it's gift card size. Definitely. Minky Kim labels. Quilt labels from Minky Kim's. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. This is cool. This is cool. I can't hold it back any longer. Look at this. Beautiful things come together one stitch at a time. Oh, I can't wait to put these in the binding of my quilts. Oh, yes. Oh, some beautiful flowers. And little by little, a little becomes a lot. Then we have a little needle and spool of thread there, and some scissors. Hope nobody cuts into the quilt though. You don't want to do that. Little by little becomes a lot. Another one, and rotary cutter. Some more flowers. It says something above it, but I can't quite make it out. Oh, EPP. And we have made by. And then we have on the other side, made by. It's one of those that comes together like that. All right. And wow, so very cool. Very, very cool. So let's now move on to soft squares, which has confounded me. I cannot believe this thing is heavy. It's heavy. I forgot. Oh, babe, a remote foot pedal or something that's not attached to you can. But no, and it's just no. It's too heavy. It's heavy. I just can't imagine. But let's talk about the 2 yards of fabric. You go online, you can look it up. There's $7.99 a yard. In fact, I think Riley Blake's manufacturer suggested retail price MSRP is $8.99, but we all buy it at the normal stores, and most of them, even Chevy Fabrics to Fat Quarter Shop to Soft Squares, there is $7.99. Okay, so I went with the $8. Take that, just added that penny in there to make it easy doing the math, and so that brings us with $99 left in our box. And I know because we've gone already through almost $226 worth of stuff at this point, that if I add this all up, so yeah, looking good. We have great value in the Soft Squares B box. I am impressed. I'm going to be more impressed when I see what was in here. Day 11. So let's open this up. It's, like I said, it's heavy. So you can hear it. Ooh, sorry, ouch. No, my hand's starting to cramp. Oh my goodness, what is this? It's a big heavy box. That's what I thought it was, a big heavy box. I am going to have to figure out how to open this. It's wrapped hermetically sealed here or something. Hold on a second. All right, got it going. Here we go. There we are. Oh, it's like some kind of special toolkit, maybe? Oh, not just any special toolkit. It is a sewy, quilty, girly kind of toolkit. Look at that. Oh gosh, thank you so much. I've always wanted one. Another one. I've always wanted to get one like this. All right. Yes, right down to the pink tape measure. We got Allen wrenches, a whole set, electrical tape. I'm going to see if I can get this back in here again. There we go. We got a little hammer. We got like a little socket wrench. Or, oh my gosh, this is so cool. And look at the little itty bitty sizes. This is awesome. I'm telling you, if they have boxes left, go pick one up. You have to have one of these just for this. Merry Christmas. We'll see you tomorrow. Gosh, I can't wait to see. This is awesome. I'm going to go use this right now. Bye.